Okay, so time for the next phase. What we have now is the aerator. During the week, I cut, trimmed all of the edges, pulled as much of the moss out of it. Couldn't get the scarifier anywhere close to the edge alongside the fence and then around the fence posts and all that stuff. So I raked and raked and raked and raked. Got all the sand and soil delivered, a wee bit out of order. I was supposed to get the aerator yesterday, but I got let down. But we got it today anyway, the same day as sand and soil. So unfortunately, there's bits where I'm not going to be able to get the aerator to. I only have it for this evening, so I'm really just going to have to push on tonight. I have no idea how long it's going to take. It could take an hour. It's an absolute beast of a thing. It could take 3 hours. I really don't know, but as long as it's all covered tonight, that's the main thing. This is this week's beast. Gonna stand a wee Honda engine on there. All works as normal. Big massive tires. Looks a bit more professional, doesn't it? So we've got our throttle, start button. He said not to touch this as long as it's on white. We're gonna leave it on white. These are the splines. So why don't we pull this trigger or this guard down? Oh, there you go. It drops them. So I'm not sure if these are pneumatic or they roll up and down. I really don't know. We'll figure it out though. So yeah, class big thing. As you can see, we've got all the bags delivered. The delivery man was nice enough to let me film. I was bringing them in. Got them spaced evenly across the garden. So we'll really just see how that goes. Oh, sounds good. Sounds beefy. Okay, I don't think this thing's going to take me an hour or all evening at all. Looks like an absolute menace. So this should be the last bit of destroying the garden. We'll then start putting it all back together again. Alright, this thing's really cool. This are the cigars. Loads of them. But just quite deep. That's it all done. 20 minutes. Pretty good. Thought it was going to take me hours. Just need to obviously brush all this up. Apparently, because of putting all the sand, that's all the sand. You're putting all this down, so you don't want the plugs to be in there. Though if it's just like you're not doing a full rebuild, you want these just to peter back into nature because it's all got all the nutrients and everything in it. But today we're not doing that, so crack on. So some good wee piles come out of all this. I can't believe it's actually how much has come up. So after everything up, it doesn't look like the holes are there, but they are. They're everywhere. So that's really good. Piles and piles and piles. Look at all this. Swept up now. Get in the bin. Alright, that's all. All the plugs cleared up. We've finished the end of the devastation. It's time to start rebuilding this thing and see if I actually know or if AI knows what it's talking about and if it's been worth it or if I just made a colossal mess. Let's find out in a few weeks.